So today we're doing a thing where I like to call it decluttering and opening space for the new things. Because I have so much old makeup. There's too much that it's not even being used anymore. I just, there's a lot of these things that I just need to like get rid of. This is not good. And then we're gonna do my makeup with my things. So let's just really quickly declutter this. Okay, staying, that's obviously staying. That's staying. I don't know who or where this came from, but I guess I'm keeping it. This or my mom will kill me. Basically this entire thing. It's gonna be gone. Oh my gosh, there's this. See, this is what I'm saying. It's good to declutter across, which I'll keep right there. This is good. Some of these things I should probably care more for. I feel like there's all this makeup that I used to be gifted all the time and I didn't pay enough attention to it. More Clinique. I have so much Clinique. Let me act like I wear lipstick for 5 seconds. Woohoo! Who is calling me? Hello? No. Basically done decluttering now. Every single time that I start my makeup, I do my eyebrows first. In case you didn't know, I wax my own eyebrows because I am absolutely crazy about anyone messing up my eyebrows. And so I decided one day, you know what? Nobody else is gonna touch my eyebrows if it's not me. So I like to do it like that. Just following the normal shape that I already have. I don't like my eyebrows to be like extremely dark, so I fill them in, but not to where it's too dark. So anyway, you can see the difference between that one and the other one. My eyebrows are done, and I realized that I forgot to even show y'all how I prep my skin. So I have this Origins spray right here with like vitamin C and all the things. Put that on. Let it sink in. That's the first thing I put on. I have this vitamin C toner from, it's a Korean brand. It is amazing. I always put it in my under eyes to like smash life into my face. And then we have obviously the Hydra Boost by Neutrogena as my actual hydrating cream or moisturizer, however you would like to call it. You see this? I take the light shade, I take some out and I outline under it. I just think it makes it look super clean. And then I grab a little brush, whether it be like one like this or however you want, and I just, take it down, blend it down. Okay, so now that the eyebrows are done, then I move on and I do like whatever I want to put on my face. I got the Charlotte Tilbury tint, right? So I'm gonna grab that. I have a tinted sunscreen from CeraVe. I left that at my best friend's house quite a bit ago and I don't have it right now. The nice thing about this, I know it might look like lighter than me, but it's actually not really much lighter. Super nice because it's super sheer. This pretty shiny tint thing and I love it. I like put it on my skin at Sephora and I was like, that is pretty. And she was like, yeah, everyone loves it. And I was like, okay, well, I can't take the really big one because I can't afford it, if I'm 100% honest. And she was like, it's okay, we have a mini one in the exact shade that you want. And I was like, that is just God's work. Some people use it as a primer, apparently. I couldn't see myself using this as a primer because it's gorgeous. I love how it's making my skin look. And the next thing, obviously, concealer. So how I do concealer, I don't know if you've seen this, but there's a thing where like if you pull it up that way, it makes it better. Okay, so we put it like that. And this is the HD Makeup Forever. Remember, I mentioned it to you earlier. Blend, blend, blend. There, boom, under eyes gone. And I have terrible under eyes, so now that I covered my under eyes, we literally cover the little whatever imperfections you might have on your face. And this is super pigmented concealer. But I really like it because it really brightens my face and it covers enough, but where it still doesn't look like it's too much. If you can get anything out of this video, it's that I go for enough, not too much on everything. I like to believe moderation is good in everything in life. It is key to a successful life. Now that we have all of that, that's when I add the blush. So Remember the new one I got from Sale or Sale? I have no real clue how to say it, but it's a pretty color and I'm excited to put it on. Look at that, it's so pretty. I like to bring it up back here rather than fully all on my like front cheek. It's looking a little funny right now, just wait for my skin to settle. Anytime I touch my skin, it goes kaboom crazy. See, so I bring it up to the back and then I bring like kind of like leftovers down. I love this color. It is so pretty. Now that we have blush on, I don't like to put any on my nose. Personal preference. You don't have to agree. That's okay. I'm gonna try out. We're gonna try this out. Ooh, that might be too much. But look how pretty that blends in. And it looks beautiful. I approve of this message. If you can't tell, I literally do a 3. I still haven't done the bottom here, so don't freak out. Look at how pretty that looks already. You know how many times I've used contour sticks that don't blend and just look wonky on your face? Many times. Oh, that makes me happy. Okay, so now I gotta do that on my nose and contour the nose. Hopefully it goes as well as it went on the face. Oh wow, I'm so happy with this product, holy cow. Now we do the circle, let's see if that works. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with everything I bought. And now I'm going to apply the mascara. It's super simple. Curl my lashes. People complain about lash curlers all the time. They say that gotta be careful or whatever, but like I've curled my eyes for probably 7 years. Not curled my eyes, curled my eyelashes, and I have never had any issues. If you have issues, then don't do this. But if you don't, then I don't see a reason not to curl your eyelashes. So you're gonna curl and you're gonna kind of pulse, okay? But you also gotta get right on the lash line, and then you're gonna hold 2, 3, 4, 5. Pulse again and let go. See the difference? You're gonna start with the Lash Paradise and you're gonna apply a thin layer of it, and then you're gonna go in with a telescopic. The point of this is to give it volume before we lengthen it. Because if we lengthen it before volume, then you get no volume. Okay? So you're gonna apply a thin layer, wait for it to dry basically, while you curl your other eyelash. Super thin layer, like that. And then curl the other side, do the same exact thing. And then you're gonna go in with the telescopic. Do the same thing on the other side. I love the way it looks mixing this and the telescopic. Here you go. Here's what it looks like so far. Now we're gonna do the telescopic because we have to. Telescopic looks like this. You can also use the one that's non-waterproof, but I love me some waterproof mascara to make sure my eyelashes look like this all day long. It's foolproof. It's gonna last you for real, like all day. See, I don't know if you can see the difference, but that's that side. It just lengthens it a little bit more. I go from behind it and I kind of curl them up like this. See? Now we clean it up with a makeup wipe before we even move on. Your eyeliner, if you want it to look exactly like mine, I will show you exactly what I do. Obviously it's not very well sharpened, ta-da, but you kind of just, you find a place where it's a little thin. You make a little line like that, a line, connect, and bam. You see it's super thin. Like I don't do anything too big, and then I connect only the very beginning of my like end of the lash line. The rest I leave to just be its own thing. There, you can see it right there. And then I copy the same exact thing on the other side. I know that like doing eyeliner can be scary when you first start to do eyeliner, but I'm telling you, because I didn't know how to do eyeliner, the second that I knew how to do it, there was no going back. So my skin is already like super luminous and I love it. But we're gonna add the Becca highlighter because I just feel like it'll look really pretty on there, and it does look gorgeous. I'm gonna use a lighter one, which is my go-to every time. Tiny little dot right there, and a little line up there, and then blend it. Ooh. I'm gonna grab a little bit of our powder, and I'm gonna set that concealer because I don't think anything else really needs too much setting. So I just add that, and then and then last but not least, because it's the best and most awesome part, is a little bit of lip gloss. And you're done. So that's the look. I hope you guys liked this video. It was fun to make. I got to try new makeup with you guys and I really like how it looks. It's very summery, very bright, and I like all the products and I recommend them. And if you like this video, let me know. Maybe I'll make some more like this every once in a while. And subscribe to the channel, don't forget, and follow my Instagram, TikTok, all the things, and I'll see you guys on the next video.